Everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open your dollar bead bag and dollar bead box for January 2025, and so exciting to be in a new year. I'm really looking forward to beading this year and doing all kinds of fun stuff. So I just want to give you a look at these beautiful items. So we're going to put the box aside, 2 separate subscriptions, and we're going to start with the bag. Out of the bag, and you get 4 strands of 3mm fire polish and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish. You get 50 beads to the strand, $8 a month. I mean, I have an amazing deal. I always say this, but I have not seen them this price anywhere else, and they're so pretty. Look at this nod to Valentine's Day, I would say. Okay, so let's take a look at the beads. Okay, how beautiful are these colors? So we have dark pink or crystal carnation lumi, which I believe is this one. So pretty. And then we have raspberry luster or dark raspberry copper. I believe that it's this one. So pretty. Love the pink. Okay, next two we have matte copper or matte Victorian bronze. Isn't that gorgeous? Let me see if I can get in super close. Oh, there you go. Here, and then we've got cyan or matte cyan, and that is a matte cyan. Look at these gorgeous colors. How pretty they are, super close up. Beautiful and such good quality. Let's look at the 4mm, and I don't know if I told you, 50 beads to a strand. I mean, what a great deal. It's $1 a strand. So we've got dark pink or crystal carnation lumi. So we have this in a 3 and the 4. Isn't that beautiful? And then we've got opaque light rose. These colors are so nice. It reminds me of spring. Beautiful. Last two, we have alabaster ruby luster. You know, I'm not always right in connecting the strand to the color, so I think I'm right. Yeah, I think so. And then we have matte cyan or ruby Maria. Anyway, they're gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. So here they are. I put them on a lighter background so you can see just how vibrant and beautiful. Such lovely pink. Isn't that gorgeous, pinks and reds? All right, so there you go. There's your dollar bead bag. I have a coupon code, which I'll put up on the screen and in the description box below the video. So let's take a look at the box. Out of the box, and look at these gorgeous colors, and I love how they coordinate the bag and the box together. If you can swing both, all you need, if you're a weaver, is to, you know, add some seed beads and delicas, etc. If you're a stringer, you have everything you need. It's just such a great deal. And as low as $18.50 a month it changes depending on your subscription. You can become a member, all different ways to join. So I'm going to put a link in the description box below the video along with that coupon code so you can check it out, see if it's right for you. So here's the letter. So Happy New Year. Here's to an amazing 2025. So the January box, they pulled inspiration from Valentine's Day, which I just love these colors, and also gorgeous, you know, spring colors and summer colors as well. They always have an exclusive. So here's the January exclusive where you're going to get, you know, a coupon code for that particular item that they're featuring. Here's all their social media, and here's our list. Let's start with the strands. So sometimes I take them off the strand just so you can see them better. So this is a 6mm check glass bellflower, cyan or pink. Of course, this is the cyan. You get 25 pieces. Beautiful. So we have a 3x5mm check glass gem cut rondelle, and this is in light pink. You get 25 pieces, and this is definitely being washed out by my lights. It's a beautiful pale pink, but very pretty. Now look at the difference. They're stunning. You get a 1x2mm Chinese crystal rondelle, opaque red or crystal, 120 pieces. Look at that teeny tiny little bead. That's the size of a seed bead. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at the sparkle on that. These are stunning. Next up we have a 3mm check glass struck bead in cherry. You get 66 pieces. So pretty. I just kind of tied them in a knot. So we have an 8mm check glass cherry flower red copper, 25 pieces. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that copper color on there. Gorgeous. Finally, for the strands, 4 or 6mm check glass pearl in rose gold, 20 or 40 pieces, I guess depending on which size you get. Very pretty. Gorgeous. Let's look at the additional items, and I'll shade them in a second. My lights, let me see if I can push my lights are just totally washing everything out. But we've got an 11 by 16 millimeter checkless heart, pink with red, 2 pieces. So that's this guy. Isn't that pretty? It's like an elongated heart. And then we've got 12 by 18 millimeter checkless twisted oval in pink opal. That's a beautiful color, the pink opal. As I said, my lights wash everything out, but that's pretty much what it is right there. Gorgeous. I absolutely love that they're doing this. We've got a 13 millimeter checkless wild rose. Isn't that stunning? Look how pretty that is. And it's opaque red with gold wash. You get 2 pieces, and then you get the same exact one, only in a larger size. 18 millimeter checkless wild rose, opaque red with gold wash, 1 piece. Look at that. You've got a built-in necklace right there. Here's your drop. Here are your 2 pieces, and then you use your fire polish beads, etc. These are so pretty. Look at that. Wow, they're really knocking it out of the park these days. Gorgeous. Next up, we have these beautiful Baroque, checkless Baroque pearls in white, 8 pieces. They are 7 by 12 millimeter, and they're in my palm because you can really see them beautifully. Look how pretty they look against the skin. They just glow. Gorgeous. And look at these pretties. We have 8 millimeter checkless heart in Siam. You get 6 pieces. So pretty. I love the heart theme and flower theme. Just really, really pretty. 16 by 20 millimeter pewter filigree heart. You get 1 piece. Beautiful. These are gorgeous. They're 10 by 20 millimeter checkless drops, opaque, pink opal, 2 pieces. Look at this. This is stunning. This is an incredible box. I mean, they are just doing so well these days. Absolutely adore everything. And you see these on other bead websites, but you're never going to see these at this price. And also check out their membership. And, you can become a member and you can order on their website. So just don't forget to check out the link in the description box, because if you haven't seen their website, you're really missing out on some really gorgeous beads at such affordable prices. Okay, enough. I'm not trying to sell you. I'm just amazed that they can do this so reasonably priced. Okay, and then we've got, let's see, where am I? Vintage style checkless heart, ruby with copper wash. Gorgeous. Next up, we have a checkless melon rondelle, and this is ruby AB. Beautiful. And then these pretty table cut rectangles, those are 6 by 8 millimeter melon rondelle. Then they're 8 by 12 millimeter table cut rectangle, pink opal or cherry. Look at that gorgeous pink opal. So pretty. The butterfly landed on my hand. Isn't that pretty? That's a 30 by 32 millimeter silver tie hill butterfly. You get 1 piece, and this is gorgeous. So here you go. Let me pull out. This is what you get in your box, and here is, let me just add the bag to it. So here's the bag right here. Here's your box. Gorgeous combination. Check out the website. Check out the coupon code. I want to thank you so much for being here. Stay tuned to all kinds of tutorials. I'll be catching up on everything that I haven't done so far. So we'll have a really productive winter. All right, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.